How to fix comments failed to post on Facebook. So if you want to fix comment failed to post on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to first open up your Play Store or your App Store. After that, go with search and then search for Facebook. After searching for your Facebook, now if you have any updates on your Facebook, just simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back, find the Facebook application, tap and hold on to your Facebook, and go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Facebook and then report the problem. So go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you need to scroll down again, and here you may have an option of help and support. But if you don't find it, just simply go back again and then go with help and support right here. And now tap on report a problem. Tap on continue to report a problem, and then just go and select include or don't include. Now here you need to just simply go and select an option of interactions or comments if you have that option. I'll just simply go and select feed. Now here you need to describe the issue. So you need to write that I want to fix my comments because it says comment failed whenever I try to post something, or whenever I try to comment on a post, it says that the comment has been failed. So please help me fix my issue, and then go with send. You can also record a screen, or you can upload a screenshot from your phone, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.